I am retired Ambassador Anup Mudgal. I work on a lot of issues including sustainability, sustainable development goals, particularly on blue economy.
How has your experience of participating in the ongoing work from
Oh, this is, I think, has been excellent. I have been regularly working with MRC on underwater domain awareness. You see, now we are talking about harnessing of blue economy in a big way. And this can open a lot of new opportunities. However, with the opportunities will come the challenge of sustainability. So, underwater domain awareness or underwater domain processes would be very important in ensuring that whatever we do with the oceans and waters in terms of economy, those actions remain sustainable. So I think this is very important. I hope our message of sustainability reaches to the stakeholders.
what are the three of the highlights that you expect the audience to take away from your today's presentation?
Oh, this is the highlight will remain the same. Yeah, there's a lot of opportunity. Yes, it can open a lot of economic activity, a lot of jobs. But at the same time, we have to understand that we should not be working against the environment. We need to work with the environment so that we benefit and the environment also benefits.
Yes. So how far do you think we have reached in creating buzz about underwater domain awareness, and how can we add more going forward?
I would say so far so good. I think gradually more and more stakeholders, scholars, researchers, students are getting to know about the importance of underwater domain. As I said, whatever happens in the ocean, most of the activity happens underwater. We may see it elsewhere, but the actual thing is happening underwater. So therefore, I personally feel this is still in a very early stage of this knowledge creation and dissemination. But so far, whatever has been done, I am very, very encouraged by this.